Yeah, so I'm going to talk about one of the biggest secrets about binary options. So what are you seeing here is my latest session. I made around like 7 or 6 trades. I won most of them. I lost one. The last trade was a loss. Sorry. No, no, this one. The last one. I lost $300 or $400. Um, as usual, guys, I'm using my own trading strategy that I spent years developing and refining. So let's sell. So see, look, what the market is creating a downtrend, the red. Yeah. So as I was saying, my strategy is explained in my course. The course is in the description below. Just go to learnthestrategy.com/free and you can access the first chapter for free. No need for your email informations or personal informations. Just access it and start learning. Yeah, so guys, binary option is is different from crypto and forex trading. Oh, mm, the market created a red candle, but I didn't win. No, that's okay. That's okay. Wasn't Unfortunately, it was not a loss, but I still believe that the market will keep creating red candles and will keep going down. So the sellers are stronger this time. See, the market started from the upper band, from the Bollinger Bands, and it's going all the way down below the lower band. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, when you start trading binary options, it's important to build a solid, like a solid foundation, like before risking real money. Mm, One of the basics that you must focus on. Yeah, great. The first I won $170. Great, beautiful. Let's open a sell position again or a low position, and hopefully the market will keep creating red candles. So, as I was saying, guys, focus on understanding binary options. Understand it. Like, what are binary options? Of course, it's a financial instrument where you predict whether the price of an asset will go up or down within a set time yeah. Um, you either choose a call or put. Put is like buy, or sorry, put is like sell, and call is like buy. So when you call, you predict the price will go up, and when you put, you predict the price will go down. This is the second win. But is this the end of this trend? Yeah, I guess it's the end of this downtrend. We start to see a small uptrend. Yeah, it's the end. Now we will start to see. So let's go higher. And yeah, I guess that the market will go up. Great. So what I was saying, guys, is um also choose an expiry time. My strategy is best when it's on the 1 minute expiration time. So in chapter three, I guess, yeah, chapter three, I explain exactly how to tweak the parameters of different indicators when changing the expiry time. This one. So let's go up again, higher again, because the market is keeps started already started creating an uptrend, and it will keep going up. Um, what I was talking about, also the risk management. When trading binary options, there is nothing you can do about the risk, but you can manage it, and you can manage the your trading psychology. Like, never risk too much. 1%, maximum 5% of your balance per trade is enough. It's and you're risking too much. Also, control your emotions. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies. Yes, as predicted. Is there a glitch there or something? Let me check. Second, yeah, the previous one. Yeah, it's a glitch. Yeah, perhaps, probably a network problem. That's okay. So let's go up again, because, as I was saying, the market will stop the downtrend, or the downtrend will stop, and the buyers will try to push a little bit the market up. So, as I was saying, guys, you should have a solid strategy, because random trading leads to losses. And also control your emotions. And one of the basics, or one of the advices that can I can give you guys. Should I? Yeah, now, no, I can't sell. Now I will sell, but at the exact moment. So I was saying, you should develop a good trading strategy, or at least refine one. Even, yeah, you can try different indicators, try different price action methods, risk management, and with time you will develop your own trading strategy. I spent like 7 years just developing my trading strategy. I lost a lot, but I kept tweaking and trying different indicators, trying different methods, and trying different chart patterns, and finally, um, my strategy is working perfectly for me. Great. So it wasn't a start of a downtrend. Yeah, I opened a short position, but it wasn't. So let's go up again. And yeah, because I still believe that the market will keep going up, but I don't believe that I can open more trades. I guess this will be the last trade. Yeah, perhaps this will be the last trade. I don't know. Yeah, so guys, as usual, if this is the last trade, I want you to remember that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you in any ways that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options, so be careful when using real money. Always trade with demo account until you are 100% sure about your trading strategy. Choose a good platform, a good broker, and then you can start trading with real money. Before that, don't use a penny. So I hope that you enjoyed.